Welcome back to it, Mapagania.
We back
with another one, Bafethu. Sibuyile manje Mapagania 4 into Orlando Pirates.
4-1 baba 4-1
Kanti nje.
Tse 4-0
It's a 4-1.
ngizinto zami ngizothi 4-0 yazi.
Mapagania Mr. Mlamba kajayela ngi-audience.
Akusi audience ngizothi 4-0
Shower stage fright.
ayikho leyo mapha.
Namhlanje Bafethu, it's a full studio Bafethu. Siphethe Mapagania Mr. Mlamba umnandi.
Ngimnandi wena ungangajabuli ithi yakhe ihlala iwina and yabo makhelwane badliwa.
Yeah.
No ungajabula mfethu.
Yeah.
We cruising nicely. Ushilo uBikipa mfethu izinto ezibhayo ukuthi nale sizoyithatha.
Yeah.
Neleague sayithatha.
Size
Size ngomsebenzi.
Tege ngwasho. Ghost umnati.
Abatabile babina bari happy people. Happy days.
Happy days.
Yeah, it was a given but I jabulile mfethu.
It was mfana.
Yeah.
Spethu macheva no background JV no. Umunati.
Monate Pagania, yeah, it was a lovely experience. And I was born let's win 4-1. Yeah, so yeah, it was a lovely experience.
Yeah, speak up for the roof.
Wow.
You got Mapagania.
Yeah, it was a lovely experience. We win 4-1. So yeah, result joy as usual.
Yeah. Result joy. And then Mapagania, obviously we didn't go to the stadium yesterday. It was an away game, so we didn't really get a chance to have post-match interviews. Besigu Babundlu in obviously. You didn't make it because you have your personal commitments that you needed to attend to. But best no goes to best no much ever any young tour. Goes to Ndwana, what's the experience?
Always lovely mfethu gawabumdluli lesikotini samapagania. It was always welcoming mfethu and must dawo yazi mfana, we always progress. Sihlezi siyara kuyi cup and we always come out victorious esijabulile mfana. So yeah, I very happy to be kwababumdluli mfethu noma mdluli basamukela kamnandi as always. So yeah, overall the experience beyimnandi.
Imnandi ne.
Yeah.
Shout out to Babumdluli mfethu, like the way like as welcome ngakhona ndanga, you know, everything about Babumdluli mfethu angithola straight eqondile angithola. Even his wife in Tanga.
Sure.
Like it, beautiful. JV, how was the experience, Babumdluli?
It was my first time ngifika kwaBabumdluli, and I must say, yeah, welcomile warmly, and I had a lovely experience. Sapinda sawina ne game, so yeah, enjoy like kwaBabumdluli.
Yeah. Nice one.
Thank you.
Nice one. The studio is full, Mapagania. Spethu tata ngara, head of production. Spethu mkataga tu shaili sole. Agananda upeginda wazaki. Spethu no ex, kosi, abula mtutu la paya. So it's a full studio, Mapagania. Jumping straight to it, my Mr. Mlambo. We really came da.
Na kanjani wena ungahlala ungayibukeli ibhakani. You must make a way.
Yeah.
Ubukelile nta.
Iwele kanjani?
Mfethu yo mina first thing first mangibona like i line up engithe coach JP akadlali.
Yeah.
Amabhakani yazwile ona wala sport mesithi hayi akushaya rotation. Baba coach JP uya ngeyibhamu zakhe. Uyabonisa ukuthi la ndanga siyabulala mfethu. And it was great to see uShabatsane mfethu introduction yakhe. Yena pairing with uSibisi. Yabona mfethu siphethe uHotho ngayisiphethe iColored Lami ngara siyabonisa ukuthi we here to play.
Yeah,
Amathalenta awafana zange zodlala angiunderstand as much as ayithwikile kancane but ntanga we went there to mean business mesingabanyathi mfethu mesingabanyathi
yeah. We went strong. Ndangene, I think nge-pre-match coach mentioned it ukuthi he's gonna go with the strongest possible
team.
11.
Yeah,
Ngiyangithola.
yeah.
Obviously, some of the guys were not there, the likes of Aburili, Abu Sipo Chain, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
But it was fairly strong.
Yeah.
I was surprised even when I saw the lineup.
Yeah.
Beautiful game to watch. Ghost, thoughts on the game?
Yeah, but that speaks to our depth, in fact.
Yeah.
Yeah, even
Yeah,
when we
yeah,
give
yeah,
players a break, in fact, still ke quality ezalanda.
Yeah.
Until our getting So yeah, I mean it was expected in fact to a victory there, and my chances let's him not in fact it was a great display. We created a lot of chances. You know, it could have been more. But in a way, we will take the 4-0 in fact. Taraska we study the goal go fela go TTM. Re tlo di need mo league re tlo dlala le bo Sundowns le bolam tutu. So yeah, for right.
All right.
Sure.
I can you Ghost ndangale
Ngale
one
ya
menge.
Yabo mangena leya wani uthi yo angasekho wini
Sphume so.
siphume sonke.
Marifo bengibambi. Ishifo bengibambi.
Indaba bakorile ubuthelezi.
No, it doesn't.
Uthi ubuthelezi.
Hayi sizokhuluma la. Bathi unonile.
Uzothi ina kanoni ispraya kangaka.
Yeah.
And I like the fact that the coach like didn't take this game for granted. The one so like because obviously let's start to learn up le is pretty.
Andanga it's so wrong.
Yeah, it's totally wrong. But I was hoping with this guy must put in a few senior players. Beautiful. JV, thoughts on the game?
Yeah, it was a lovely game ngoba vele sigcine siwina 4-1, even though we had more chances whereby score maybe might have been massive, and then also unlucky to concede ngale free kick through Buthelezi. Yeah, but all in all it was a lovely game.
Yeah.
And we always said it in control, even though they managed to score one goal.
Yeah.
That
goal, do you blame Nadine? Do you blame the goalkeeper or Botala the winner?
I'd say both. Reason being, the keeper has to manage the wall, and at that particular point, I'd say the wall did not completely do their job. So hence I'd say I'd blame both the wall and the keeper. The keeper is the one in control of how to place his wall before the free kick is taken. And as you can see, that free kick, it went directly through our wall, meaning the wall did not do their job. Hence, the keeper was beaten on the near post.
Brilliant.
Shy JV.
ayibheka ngesingisi
Bakukhe JV.
cook them. Yeah.
Jumping straight to Coach JP, Izolo.
It's a 10 mfethu. It's
Yeah.
a 10. I think manje sekayayibamba mfethu. And that
Yeah.
one it was a cup, yabo. Mina on cups I'll allow the coach to experiment. It's not a league, you understand? And the opponent mesidlala nabo they are not that strong.
Yeah.
And baku ABC mfethu. Abekho kumuthi pe foundation.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
in third tier, yabo. And thina we have quality ngithola bonini noma botito bangena. They've played so well, you understand, the introduction yabo Mbule and the coaching ngendlela esiqale ngayo started strong mfethu. No one anticipated that live studio Ghost. Uzwile mingithe yashintshe sigabo dancing chance yabo those kind of people. Makabangenanga mfethu kungena ibhams amampela. So coach mfethu uyayi deserve i10. Mude.
So who do you think stood out from Lepek Lesibonile, who showed his sense to say maybe can be placed in the more important games?
Utito Nombule.
Yeah.
Uzwile pa.
Yeah.
You saw a goal like Tito. You saw Tito Shaka engakhe palini.
Yeah.
Master Chef. Uyalazi. Where are the numbers? He gave them the numbers. Ugcineni nokudlala. Yibo boyithu mfethu yabo baphakamisa isandla ukuthi okay coach kwamanye ama game apolice no real ngeke basigaya something. Nathi sikhona.
Yeah.
Please consider us. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think those two ndanga yeah they've played so well.
Yeah, I agree with you. And those are like the two that we've been crying for. I want they deserve minutes. I'm happy to see with Mabangene and so they show, they justify with if not, you know,
Yeah,
we
squad.
almost in the similar level of your first 11.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
so,
yeah.
so coach, you know, who's one stress and thing. Coach, you know, who's one stress and thing. Do you agree with the 10 coast?
Yeah, yes, I'm too because it's a victory. Nothing much to complain
Nothing
about.
hectic.
Yeah. So I'm ten. But mina my standout player too was Uchabatane.
Yeah, I
Oh,
knew you'd say that.
shit.
I
Why
didn't
would you knew? Because that was
Because-
so, ne?
Yeah, because he plays so well. Yabona
Yeah.
lento le it's sofika ku it's
Yeah.
ngeke sikhumbule kakhulu. Isasekhona.
Yeah. I felt a good shout out to Dora.
Not
really,
Chawatani fit. That's a
Ihlebu uyisole ebhuqwini. Ayithole dusty.
Aye, that's a gem. That's a gem.
Yeah.
But we'll get to him.
Yeah.
We'll get to him. Was him saving like nah.
Was him saving, innit?
And then Butelezi.
I think yabona ukungadlala. I think ukhipha uyishilo naye ku post yakhe. Yeah, ungakhala ungangakhala yabo. Yabo mangadlali kakhulu.
Yeah.
Especially as a goalkeeper. We won't expect ukuthi usigaya 100. You understand? Kuzoba khona okunye ukuthi uba rust. But ubutheleza I feel ngathi unokuba rust kakhulu. Kunale impressile ntanga. Yabo I think first half ele yakube ekhipsile
Oh,
la.
yeah.
And check the score I think mekusase 2-1 mfethu. ngithe emkhulu
It's
zofaka
relaxed, too relaxed.
urelaxe
Yeah.
kakhulu I understand and sometimes fane pu nama nebhola elinya ke mekathi uyalibamba angazi alibambekanga kahle nale free kick intanga ngiyakhala mfethu mina
Kala ngayo.
uJV ubekile mina ngikhali ngebonda ngikhala ngogoalkeeper mfethu how do you place your wall mfethu ibonda lakhe mfethu that's why bakhonile ukumbamba lapha ya ku first pole mfethu
All place kanjani?
esibali lela bhola lela lidlule eva
Ijump
Phezu kosibisi.
wangabeka umuntu omude la wangathathi umbatho umbeke la
Yeah.
mfethu when you build the wall ukuthi ibhola lizoshaya kubo
Yeah.
you don't build the wall ukuthi ibhola lizodlula mina I feel ngathi as much as yena like azamile ukulivimba angakhonanga like he should have started ngebonda lakhe of putting tall players there. We had Chabatsane, we had ubani
Mbutu.
Umbuthuma, we had Umbatha. Who else? Megamud noHotu ngamthatha ngimfake la.
Yeah.
Usibisi uzokhona ukudefenda la nabanye abantu. I feel ngathi bonda lakhe usibisi intanga shouldn't have been there. You understand? But sizoyithatha mfethu azidliwanga kakhulu. Ngilo last time ukuthi nawe enhlanje uthanda ukucomplain nayo. Uyangizwa?
Bathubhesha ama play.
Aspesha ama player because isifundisa i-vaccination ukuthi this mfethu this pod or this channel it's about Pagania, understand?
Sure.
We just speaking our views. It's the voice of Paganias.
Yeah.
If maybe I said usipha kadlalanga kahle or ubutheleza kadlalanga kahle, I'm not saying I do not want ubuthelezi. I'm not
Sure.
saying he's bad for the team in. I'm just trying to make him ukuthi improve. You understand? We're not bashing players. Ebafetha mina kancane. Yeah. But ngizomguy 5 mina ngizomguy 5.
Average performance.
Yeah, it was just average.
I think it's fair. Do you agree with the 5 coast?
Yeah, I think Rakamka 5. Yabona. Although na for that free kick linane ke msoda para ke sheba via replay wabona.
Yeah.
I feel like le podlela wa jumpa ra wa ithiba
Bana, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I was crying for, Mr. Mlam. Young
Sure.
Like upodlela mfethu me, young
Yeah.
Okay, I think nami I share the same sentiment no JV in a sense ukuthi you can blame both, young
Yeah.
because ukeeper naye mele athi you know this modern football. Khona umuntu angithola la phansi ukuthi
Sure.
awajump. Bangamshayi la lahle
Sure,
khona
sure.
la phansi, young Someone must lay there on the floor, young
Yeah.
so that this guy mageza azothatha free kick labantu mfethu bathatha amandla wonke ndoda bayajump
Bajump.
they make themselves like
Yeah.
as tall as
Big,
possible
yeah.
yangithola like molibheka leli bhola ntanga lendlula ubhodlela yini ngithola into enjani uthola ukuthi naye uvala amehlo ngithola if na ubuthi mahlo ntwana or maybe ayimbi maso kithi skelong or naka jump fela
I felt like like ke ntshonyana ya hore re dlala le TTM or ko ke ya 2 wa bona ke free kick o tlo raela udimo wa bona ke riding jwang I think na ke exactly that's the way one shot but I feel like on a serious game bodlela bodlela fit never emela na tlo jumpa da fit one shot and that's naturally what you do. That's like I feel like I can say it's a walk over man say we are 2-0 up. We just know we're gonna beat these guys 5-7. What?
If that's the reasoning, I'm not be very worried. You don't need that.
You start from this.
Bodela is a professional.
Sure.
We know Bodela is a professional. Until I get it again. Bodela must take each and every game very serious. Even now that there is too much competition there, we know Mbogazi K left one all.
Sure.
You see Chabazade is coming in.
Pepe is coming back.
Pepe is coming back. One all. Siyama is becoming stronger and stronger every game. One all. So we can't afford a player that will be complacent and say playing against TTM. Very, very dangerous. One all.
Sure.
So I agree with the 5.
Sure.
Moving on to our right back, Van Roy.
Maseken.
Yeah.
At least they're giving him game time. He's always like 9, angithi. Abamdonsana izolo.
Yeah, abamdonsana.
Usually bayamdonsa bafaka uSpilibili
Sure.
on the previous games.
Yeah.
And I think I said it last time. I said it.
Yeah.
That guy njengoba usho or maybe mekaleki game time or le injury mekabuya kuye memkhabatha. But the places which he find himself mina ngiyawathanda ntanga manje yabo izolo okay we didn't have more of that from him because maybe the opponent mesinayo but I like the way he's improving each and every game. There was nothing marvelous which he could have done yesterday or akayenzile, but I think 7 it's this ukuthi at least akakhona kuyipush 90. You just said it ukuthi ubhodlela we shouldn't check the games ukuthi sidlala ne TTM or what. We should be professionals. And I think that's what coach told the boys, and that's how the boys went to the game. Zomkai 7.
Yeah. Now I still need more from us again.
Yeah, most definitely.
That's me as well.
Yeah.
That's me as well. So
yeah.
He's not at that level where we want him to be.
Yeah. I will get there. Now I have full faith in this guy. I know his qualities until I know he'll come back until, and I think a 7 is a fair rating cost.
Yeah, I was leaning more towards a 6.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah,
and the guy 6 is more fair.
Yeah,
it wasn't a 7 performance.
Yeah.
Let's be honest. And then moving on to our captain Usibisi.
Ubhodlela la mina siqeda ukukhuluma nangaye. I don't think emuva ntanga mesine threat ebhaya.
Sure.
Because we had ibhola most of the game, you understand?
Yeah.
Yabona le free kick. Mina ngifuna uqambela amabhakeni yamanga. Lento eniyireizayo is new to me ukuthi Sibisi could have done better, yabo. Because ngiyibone nje izolo nje. Manje ukulibukela like angibonanga ukuthi uSibisi mekumela jump or
kumela jump.
You understand? Yeah. But I don't think like there was more which he could have done in the game. Because Ntanga we didn't have a threat. But he pairing partner yakhe he was good madlala. You understand? Ngalama cheap lama kasha ibhodlela I won't give you that. You understand? I don't think he was marvelous, but I don't think he was bad also. Ngizomgaya 6. So umuntu engamgaya 6 on this game.
Yeah, I agree with the 6 as well. In fact, I think defensively they didn't have much to do. That goal is partially the blame is on him as well. I think it was a 6 performance from Bodlela.
Yeah, no, I would concur.
Yeah. And then moving on to his partner in crime, Chabazad.
Future.
That's a future, my man.
Yeah.
Left center back. That's perfect, Ntanga. Cabanga ke le Antona le maseyidlala no CM akuzoba njani.
Yo, puti.
Kwamnandi ezweni. Ukuthi wena you have ama center backs who are comfortable on the ball. Who can think also. It's time to find a defender who can think makephethe ball.
Sure.
And you have UCM I can think when he has the ball and intwana encane. You have Chabatsani, you saw the teams. ngamfaka center also.
Mfethu into ebengikhalela izolo ngithi imagine this guy aphere no CM mfethu.
Perfect combo mfethu.
Yo mfethu.
Ngiwonisa umbokazi kakhulu, you know why?
Lapho siyaropa mfana.
Bonila matha. Yo, okay yena mengashaya amadayiko kakhulu.
Mara direct amaphaso ayaphambili.
Into engisho mekangashaya idayiko
Sure.
but mekashaya direct, maybe if he's on the left uzokushayela khona ngapha
Sure.
on the left, but like technique mfethu take nothing away, quality.
Top player.
Yebejile ntanga yasinda for you to start i-debut yakho
Yeah.
like this. I think it's marvelous, Puti. I think it's marvelous. The boy was marvelous. We didn't have a strong opponent, but now yasiphakamisa isandla ukuthi emqeqeshi ngikhona la.
Sure.
I'll give him an 8.
An 8.
Yeah.
Do you think he's one of those like special players? Or we still yet to see?
Angifuni ukujaha, yabo. Asimnikeze isikhathi.
Ne?
Asimnikeze isikhathi, then we can say maybe kunalama player lawa ntanga who amnandi ne, but they are not consistent.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah,
Then as long ngimbone glimpse,
Yeah.
cela ukumbona like kanje,
Yeah,
and then I'll be
regular.
able to judge on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful, mfethu, beautiful. Hey, mina mfethu, I was excited. Mfethu. Oh, I was excited.
Clever.
Bengiplume no ghost.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
keep doing mfethu like each and every pass.
Yeah.
Ever did you see that pass? After everything, did you see that pass?
Yeah.
Like progressive passes.
Nala enyaweni.
That guy mfethu, he doesn't have time uku shama back pass BC
Sure.
back pass Chabazani. Magamgawu isibisi. Umguy isibisini ukuthi nah yangithola
Basahamba,
asiye phambili
yeah,
yangithola
yeah.
you don't have this time to waste about tiki
Sure.
taka you understand.
Yeah.
And he can take responsibility as well. Sometimes makayithola bona ispace yangithola khona ukungena yangithola into enjani nala mapass wakhe mfethu lawa ngayi mentioning them la ngayi SID.
Yeah.
I think we have a jab there Mr. Mlambo.
Smart is
I think we have a jab
And
there.
sheba ye uri udlala ka left.
Yeah.
Siyemo udlala ka right.
Semo dlala ka right.
That's
Perfect
Indwa.
theory.
Uthola ke-
Mbokazi. Ukuthi it was i-replacement yakambokazi.
Perfect.
ishilo vele u-PhD
Yeah,
yangithola into enjani.
Dona lena future mfethu I'm looking forward to seeing more from that boy mfethu.
Yeah.
I just wish nje Bodlela mfethu siyakuncanywa Hotman. Yeah mfethu faka
Ayabapha
motivation
kaningi,
njengexoki mfethu yabo. Yasifaka uchabathane mfethu.
Yeah, it's a late.
Ngiyakutshela ntanga le
Yeah.
nto deserve ukudlala la.
Yeah,
mfethu. Like
nakanjalo.
yeah. And mfethu it doesn't take a lot to see a good player mfethu.
Yeah.
La wayibona reke quality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't see him last cut adlala kuGalants. Final mekakhona.
To be honest mfana mina ngibheka ibhani ya mina makudlala ibhakani. Lezi ezinye ngisibheka.
I thought I did that. I'm biased to my team. Until I get
Yeah.
You'll start paying attention once he's home.
Uyabona lo siyabheka siyambabatha
Yeah,
manje.
yeah.
Yeah.
But I think Donna it's too early to say Bodlela.
Yeah, I think it's
and I think he can be
discussed.
like integrated into the team. You can see he's special.
Fashion fan,
Eventually
that's
he's
the
going
thing.
to take that position.
Yeah.
But for now, Akira was just ETM and there wasn't too much defending to do. Let's
Sure.
be honest. We were only attacking one so
Yeah.
let's just give him time, because sometimes
Yeah.
sometimes he listens to the noise. So
Sure.
ends up putting that guy week in and week out. And then that guy makes mistakes and then we are on the
Yeah.
back of that guy.
But I mean I feel like Donez you're saying is one of those special players.
Do you think so?
Plug and play mfethu. Eleke plug and play mfethu. Kenya Ntwanile
Yeah.
mfethu. Yahajwa lapha mfethu. Future.
Mina ngithi asimupeni isikhathi.
It's
Kancane
good.
kancane.
But batlamile bakha isikhathi
Indaba
bafethu. Tlamile
le-Patriots
ben levar.
indaba
Tonele
ukuthi
mnandi.
uyazi nawo. Ndiyazi amagame esohlangana bezana nawo. We gonna play Sundowns now. Gonna play Chiefs now. You understand? So ufanele kangene kancane. So if siyamforced uzoyenza iphuthu umfana uyazi ukuthi sinjani.
Mfethu yamazi TLP ungene kanjani.
Mfethu
Amazi
phela
siye
like
mungene
ngeke
kanjani.
ukhulume ngo-TLP, mfethu.
TLB is a
It's
rare
another
breed.
story, mfethu. It's another story.
That's a rare breed.
Yeah, but I hear you.
But I think wasn't Tony come Ejagai Edaide.
Bodlela.
And Tony TLP.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really is high.
Yeah.
Remember we used to concede like those goals at the corner
Sure.
sometimes.
Cross, yeah.
Hey, one all. And let's be honest, TLP is short.
Short, yeah.
One all.
Yeah.
That guy is a bit tall. One all. Like
Yeah.
Sure.
So there. Can give us something. They can give us something, and we don't know. Maybe even attacking wise, on that
In
Yeah.
he
fact,
can give us goals. So go pela we know was busy done.
Even
So
so
much.
bona.
yeah.
Kita chisco popela on that. It was go to very goals kaso on that.
Yeah, but what's a king to give you that confidence on the boy.
Sure.
Yeah.
Span basing a copa I move.
Yeah.
That's why you saw him progressive
Intengisho ukuthi
going
uyam-edge
forward.
uSmith.
Uyangithola. Yeah.
Cause
So
forward simnandi.
and yabona mina ngithanda lelo gama ntanga ukuthi uyam-edge. Mina uma um-edge ngena mfethu akungene wena yabo. Yeah, akudlale wena mfethu uyam-edge ngithi. Akudlale wena. mfethu,
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah, Marcos, because it's Asia fella jalo.
Game ediwani. Kumele
You still
asebenze.
gotta come. You still gotta
Aye.
come.
It's gonna
Coast,
come.
relax, man. Relax,
Yeah,
man.
Ufaya.
You've been giving clean sheets. If not very clean sheets. It was only yesterday. Yeah, but to be clean sheets.
Ngihlale
Sure.
compromise ibhodlela mfethu. Umuntu ofikayo sekubhodlela mina hlale ngaphansi.
Mara uzibhodlela ihotman akamine.
Hayi mfethu ayinazogcina mind mfethu asifuna abantu abakwatile ethimini.
Moving on to Matalenta of Coast.
Uthu.
Jump
Or
hot.
Champilo Hot.
Hotho. Like and I was also surprised umbona izola ngenile yazi. Mina ngithi uzofaka undaba.
Hey, coach Ndanga wenza into zakhe ngendlela yakhe.
Ngasebeyasi izolo
And
ngitsayela.
imagine that was not even on the subs.
Is it?
Yeah, we got only off for shoot.
Should manje izolo ngibukela igame nekhosi.
Yeah.
Should manje ithi le hayi Pirates izodliwa before igame izoqala.
Yeah.
Uthi uyayibona starting 11. Asizange zodlala la. Hayi yabona ntanga masidlala kuyabonakala mfethu. And uHotho uzokugala line.
Yeah.
Kunale I think uphaso ubani? I'm trying to remember ukuthi uphaso ubani ngapha on the left.
Yeah.
They khabele ngaphandle.
Yeah. Like le
Ikhabisi kaphandle.
like leyo nto leyo ntanga uHotho yabo ukuthi ukhuluma ivayo ekhabele ngaphandle yamazi ukuthi uzokugalela but intanga leya yagaya line mfethu
Yeah,
you have that thing mfethu ukuthi there is this guy man
Yeah.
oloko kagijima la
Yeah.
yangana and as you thina masingamaki you know ukuthi usho ukuthi phambili sibo my 7 because
Yeah.
ukona get uHotho ogijimayo okay ufana yena akaguide I think
Yeah.
understand but yo ntanga uHotho ngiyayithanda lento ngathi ake khona 36 lo muntu 30 something
Yeah.
yabo that's what is good about him but final product iye ngikhala ngayo yesterday there was nothing special mfethu
Yeah.
it was just Hotho but angeke ngikhale kakhulu ngaye akahliselanga kakhulu
Yeah.
guy 6
I think the 6 is fair. I mean, I didn't want to see Hotho yesterday.
Yeah,
I don't think it was
Mila
a necessary
yeah
riding. So Hotho can't be playing too many games now. So he must be
Khulile.
rested. Yeah, ndawa guy you must play. He
Sure.
must play, especially in these small games.
ubundaba yeah mele bangene
Hey, because we knew even from that day, even before he came, we thought we're going to win this game.
Sure.
Someone like Hotho, if he gets injured, now we left with Ndaba only in that side. So and you
It's a
can't give
problem.
him too many
Hotho
games.
is old ngaye
And I don't think he can manage two games in a week. I think a 6 it's a fair rating, Coast.
Yeah, it's Ngamka 6. I wouldn't argue with that. Yeah, Hotho. I think yabo le comment uke wayishaya ngoshandu.
yeah
Yeah, I think applies to Hotho.
but uthi nokugaya nokugaya
Noshandu nokho.
ushandi solo ishandu ngitshela ushanda kashintshi
Yeah, I'm goal I can't know.
yeah
Yeah, Coast, we can move on to talent Mbata.
Ama-talent awafani.
Yeah.
Man of the match.
Yeah.
Bafethu.
Deserve.
Leya bafethu mshini.
Yeah.
Running the game
Yeah.
mfethu until from the first whistle mfethu.
Sure.
Bafethu talent asimnikeni. Let's give him his flowers.
siyakupha talent
Ama-talent
Nawo
awafani.
amaflower wakho
I think 10 out of 10 mfethu singamgaya.
yeah
Yeah.
Talent, yeah.
I played so well mfethu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't have much to do there now. So,
Yeah.
a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Mfana like it didn't put a foot wrong.
and nami ngihamba
Was
naye.
marshalling mfethu. Mina yamka.
nami ngihamba naye hayi 10 yeah mfethu
Yeah.
phela thina lela game sidune first 20 minutes those 2 goals danga were crucial because yabona lezi intona lezi akube sibe sadlala nazo isikhathi
Yeah.
they're gonna give us a problem uyacava lama team lawa they are motivated bona yangithola and they have things to prove and ama player they want to play for big teams others want to play for Pirates others they know ukuthi igame bukelwa abantu ababhayi so they want to showcase their talent kuba scoranga like those goals earlier I think mekuzoba a frustrating game noma swin meso wina sesi frustrated but talent was there to make sure lela goal lelala ka police he's the one who passed there no it's Masindi ne because Diong or lela ka Diong passed Masindi passed the police then we got a penalty akusu talent utalent but played so well ukhohliwe because to manje
Ngikhumbula ukuthi lize kanjani.
penalty Diong had a ball pass Masindi police was making a third man run police walibuyisa phakathi le ntwana le yabeka inyawo so
Akuthi Jongo gayi wa police.
uDiong uphase
Umasini. Okay.
kanti police was making a third man run police makethi uyakhatha that was a penalty you understand I thought
Ukorile view talent.
ukorile lapha
Ukorile.
ushaya intukuntuku waba
I
deflection
think that can take him up and on.
yamnyusa mfethu le mfethu ngathi udlala iPS Ghost
Hayi mnandi kakhulu.
and coach ngiyabonga uyamdlalisa ntanga
But in this game, I don't
but
think
I was happy on that one because I was happy ntanga ukuthi like we've shown ukuthi la sizodlala
Sure.
la sathi ma chance it's a 10 for me ntanga
I wonder if that guy got injured if it
but it didn't
No, he didn't. But I'm just thinking with coach must think ahead in fact.
Sure.
It's a small team. You can win easily this game without talent.
Yeah.
Talent is injury prone for you.
Sure.
But a beautiful performance.
Yeah.
And I think you can take him to a 10 really, one because of his goal. And I like the fact that Rondwana utile shoot. That guy won't go like too many consecutive games without scoring.
angashayanga epalini
No, angithi lokusha wakhe uyozomlidela ama goal
Sure.
uyangithola into enjani. So we must keep it up mfethu. Let's try and shoot.
And asi shooting eKenya ngedula ngeyakho.
Ah,
Accurate.
Accurate.
Today we gonna get a corner or one goal.
It's
It's on target.
You can tell or this guy is not something along raise amaka already. Mo
Nasejimini,
Sure.
Jimmy. I practice.
Yeah. And on all players say what's Kincha Tsalu the long range. I think he's one of those.
Yeah. Those special players.
Sure.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Some guy. Is he a man of the match?
yeah he is ntanga yes abotito badlale kahle abumbule mabengena but utalent had a lot of time egamini I understand and he was there ntanga
Yeah.
and he was seen yangithola hayi umsolana
Yeah. Was it not Mbutu?
it was not Mbutu
Uthini isikhulu ubona ubuthu.
I was just checky.
Mbutu
I was just checky.
yes impatient emabhakani it's incorrect but it was not Mbutu ucheckani ubaya yini checkayo
I had stress. Talent.
it's talent
Yeah. Then we go to the Chela was.
score skulu score man
Yeah.
ntanga 2 games ilandelana mfethu mahewa
Yeah.
usha ngomponzi umbonile
Eish.
Masindi mfethu ngeke you can do better mfethu yasimela yenzeni Masindi make sejimini ame lapha e16 aloko lokashaya ntanga
Yeah.
Ngena keeper nje.
ngana keeper
Yeah.
mfethu and mfethu is gonna work for him because
Yeah.
he always find himself endaweni ezigran
Sure.
we told you about energy Masindi it's gonna
Yeah.
give you energy they take nothing away
Yeah.
leyo energy leyo akayenze kube i-finished products yangithola
Yeah.
because he found himself ubonile kube i-deflection ibhola leza kuye
Sure.
if he was ready la or if maybe mekamnandi uyashaya uyazopick isports intanga I think itechnique akashaya ngayo ayikho mnandi but ngeke sikhale kakhulu yabo nale goal leli lokuqala mfethu I was happy ukuthi he was involved there
Yeah.
le pa third man run
Yeah.
beautiful pass from Police ukuthi sitholele la goal
Yeah.
Masindi is gonna give you energy. Masindi is gonna give you that, and I want always like applaud him for that because his strength sakhe intakana. But score. Ngakhuluma konke game lakhe ngithini score. if he scores, he's gonna be a better player than the player he is now, yabo.
Yeah.
And we are tall and in the Venezuelan. Yeah. Yesterday he was not marvelous, but he was also not bad. Angeke ngikhale kakhulu. I'll give him a 6 now.
Yeah. I think a 6 is a fair rating. Angizwa.
Yeah.
Nami ngivumelana nawe ntanga
Yeah.
like Masendi score.
Score.
Angizwa into.
Yeah.
And he's been getting these chances. Very at least.
And it's not a fluke.
Yeah, angizwa
He
into,
knows how to be there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
angizwa. So now if you must work on when talent Magasala extra 30 minutes angizwa after training. He must remain in talent.
Njengoba 7 afike early.
Or afike early.
Yeah, afike early. Asebenze.
Ashoot ntwana ashoot wanzo. You can tell already he doesn't have that thing. I'll shoot wanzo. Even when he shoots wanzo, like it doesn't give you that thing. Or this guy is going to score.
I think
wanzo,
he
like,
has.
like,
Sakhumbula wakho against
yeah, that one cool.
Lupopo.
Sure.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I'm just trying to
Ah,
tell
ezinye
you.
ntanga
Inhlanhla.
na mindanga like angiyazi ukuthi anginayo that power shot yangizwa but nini ngizombamba uKeeper mfethu yangizwa lithe ngizomangaza pa yangizwa lithe
My man.
I've got many beautiful goals many of them
Awume fire, awume.
ntanga wangidlalanga nawo moto ungisho kanjani
Hawu, asidlali sonke kanti.
khuluma ngile
Oh,
keep fit
Oh, happy.
yangizwa but now
Yeah,
what I'm
yeah,
saying
yeah.
Mr Mlambuti igole one uzoyishaya we play ndoda
Yeah,
ngithola
yeah.
nini mabagayi cutback emnandi uzoconnecta naye kahle
Sure,
ngithola
sure.
but mina what I need ukuthi when they give you those balls yangithola mele uscore 8 times out of 10
Yeah,
yangithola
Yeah.
not you score 1 out of 10 if it and then we say you are a good finisher
sure.
remain on that training pitch extra 30 minutes practice
Yeah.
that position you need goals as well wanthola kilele ke jwa numbers mfethu numbers and how do you think about that idea no mtachela
No, I think I pretty much concur with everything you guys have said. And I think 6 rating, I think it's, fitting.
yeah
Yeah.
I agree with you as well moving on to Muremi ntanga
Muremi. I was surprised to see him. But ngithi hayi la siyazana. Mangibona Muremi and he was playing on the left.
yeah on this
There
position
was something engivumelana no PhD akayishilo. If really no police are there, Muremi won't take the left. Because angithi is for creator layer party ngahle.
yeah
But
yeah,
if
yeah.
relay is not there, a police is only there. You saw ubani mesimdlalisi number 10.
yeah
It was Dior.
Yeah.
Because asinandaba ke ayikho le party lesizoyenza.
Yeah.
Muremi, you can go there and be more effective than how we want you to be. You
Yeah.
understand? But I don't think he was that effective against that opponent.
yeah
It's
then
cool.
then that was an underwhelming performance from Muremi mfethu yangizwa considering mfethu they took him to his position
Sure.
it's a very weak opposition yangizwa
Yeah.
show us why you need to be there wanzola show us what we are missing out on wanzola into njani coming in and giving that's an average performance for me
It was Ntanga.
can do better mfethu
But I think also ama game awafani. Into
Yeah.
engizama ukumgaya yona, yabo. Ama game awafani and Lupoy like this season has been fighting.
yeah
Putting in the shift for us for Bafana
Yeah.
you understand and we won't expect ukuthi each and every game
Yeah.
uzoba there you understand I think that was one of those game was just average nje
Yeah.
ngisazi ukuthi akunomremi there but like there was nothing special or good which he did and we know ukuthi una umuntu special you understand
Yeah.
but there was nothing much which he did so it was just average it's a 5 for me
now that's a good point ama game vele yona nyakafana ngithola
Yeah.
and if you playing against the equal opposition la you know I take that ukuthi mhlambe it was a Betway Premiership game yangithola
sure
we playing against same level yangithola the teams that are in there we are on the same level yangithola but if you're getting a weaker opposition la I'm fit to destroy that right back
It's wahr.
yangithola go to him every chance you get go to him yangithola into enjani so but vele ama game vele wona nyakafana how do you think none of Murray
Yeah, no, I actually don't think he was that bad, was it?
sure
Yeah, I think he played okay. Wabona Kasere I can't complain a lot, and I think lima uthi as I said le ka Paul, I feel like never sa kenye 100 man wabona ne re go kia 3 wabona like ne re sa ya full force. I don't think le boy nantshitse bojohle ba wabona.
he must
you should yeah
Yeah, but the TTM man.
It doesn't matter school. Emfethu mesinokudliwa mbothanda kweyaZulu ngakutshela. Ngithola.
Ithana for
Masifika phela coast. Mawudlala every time.
Sure.
Mele ugaye 100. You don't know whether you're preparing for the next game. Phela you only good as your last game.
Sure.
So when if you say you're gonna give i3 kule game, uzofika lela game utholela inzima and then ugaye 3. Shukuthi uzosuka ku3 ye ku10. So banzima.
Yazi mina that's why ngibelieve ukuthi ama-game aso give the fringe players
Okay.
yabo
Yes,
ukuthi adlale
no,
because those are the people that are gonna be hungry you
Makes
understand
sense,
yeah,
Makes
then
sense.
bo mremi sebana ne bo di injury wabona ki committee wabona there's no
point.
need man already we are winning wabona yeah I think there's a bit of that as well.
That's a good point. It's cool.
Wow. And I wasn't expecting to see. Okay, but Moremi, I don't have a problem. He can play. I get obviously we have a lot of depth even in that position. And so, and then moving on to Poli.
Police. Penalty ithole kuye. And a round of applause to Abo Police and all the Paganias players to for Gayu De Jong leya penalty.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause Police oyenzi. Umunye mekazothi hey kushamina la. You understand? Cause he's running for the player of the season. Izinto ezinjalo ufuna ishine ayi1. But Police mfethu and mikadlala on the right angisho.
Yeah.
Ndango Police nge 3 man run.
Yeah.
Mfethu that boy is good mfethu. 3 man run. And akadlisi ibhola.
Akadlisi ibhola,
That's what is
man.
nice. Ngitshela mina Police on his bad game. But you know there is this guy, there is this shot. Who's then that uzolokoloko nje ayenza so. You understand? I don't think usiphe 100. Ngendlela maybe mekumela siphe ngayo. But we'll give him that.
Yeah.
We got a penalty from him. He was there. You saw him. He was there.
Yeah.
Nothing marvelous, nothing special, but he was there.
Yeah.
And ngibonga leya penalty akayitholile. Umunye umuntu mekazofuka ulipusha so. For him to take it this side, ntangaye. Ufunda incwadi yebhola lo yamfana lo ya.
Yeah.
Incwadi yebhola. I'll give him a 7.
But don't you think that penalty Muchuma should have demanded that ball?
I don't think so. I think giving De Jong that penalty is a way of welcoming him nokukhulisa spirit sakhe in the team. You understand? Because angithi ntanga there are a lot of noise ngo De Jong. Thina as supporters. Mr. Mlambo yasho ukuthi hey De Jong is a good player. We expect to see this from De Jong. And that's pressure to him.
Yeah.
Players giving him that responsibility. They say we welcome you to the team and now ukuthi man spirit sakho a confidence yakhe inyuke. I think it was a great decision yokuguide De Jong that penalty.
Yeah.
Mithi umuntu ama goal mfethu at least this season.
Ngiyakuzwa mfana uthi ayidemand mfana
Ha.
uthi chokubeka idimanda ndo
Beka
bese
idimanda.
kebambe sona ubona ukuthi ngiyachova le
Yeah. That's what we need. And
I thought Mlu.
yeah.
Yeah, hey, now if I was Mbutu, I was gonna demand it as
but uMbuthu uyathola ama chance.
Indaba lena karana confidence ya penalty.
Oh,
Mbuthi.
Maralena, yeah. Even that last time, that's what we were right.
Sure.
Galupop.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Lena Mfetu Mbutu, come on. Like, that's the easiest chance to score a goal.
So good.
Sure.
Young Todd.
Yeah.
You must demand that ball and score that ball.
Yeah.
It's not difficult. It's not difficult. You don't even to remain extra 30 minutes. You can remain extra 10 minutes.
For sure.
Score 6 penalties every game.
But
every
now De Jong
game.
has right to demand it. Angithi unokudlala as a striker.
De Jong is still new. Yeah, guy too, I think.
Oh,
Nah,
no.
He's still new for it. Uyafika so yatimana.
Na kodwa ukufika.
Oh, hey, uyafika coast dora warjoina last week.
Nah.
Rothola penalty wa timana. This penalty is mine.
Yeah,
It's
ngiyazitshela.
not usual.
Yeah,
Unless I rock
yeah,
I feel.
Yeah.
Hey, unless I rank or boost our confidence.
Sure.
Sure.
Officially, I think it's a good moral booster for him.
Yeah.
Like it.
We converted, yeah.
Hey, we converted. So there's a decent penalty as well. Let's jump straight to him, teacher.
Yazi ipoza yokufihla. Le ayizokufihlela ibhola ngiyakutshela. You
Yeah.
still gonna see that. I mean I like him as a 10 ta. I'll tell you that. But ukuthi kuzoba based on ama game eswadlalayo. Ukuthi maybe we play him a 9 or we play him a 10. You
Yeah.
understand? But ntanga leya yakhona ukufihla.
Yeah.
That ball ntanga inalama pass lawa man amnandi lawa washaya. That ball leya kayiphasa uMasindi lele goal engitshela ngalo.
Yeah.
I mean that was a beautiful move. nale kusaqala I think umbuthuma mekathi umbuyisela lona leya out hit within 5 minutes
Yeah.
kwaba ikhona. You remember that move?
Yeah, I don't
First
know.
half mekathi mebathi bayalithinta Ghost. I think ube walithintela umbuthuma makethi uyambuyisela le out leya
Yalipoke, yeah.
kwaba ikhona. You remember that one?
Yeah.
I think uDeong is going to give you that and he understands the space sakhe kumele abe khona ngithola. I'll still say this, let's give him time. Akakasiphi konke ekumele asiphe kona.
Yeah.
But games by games uzombona mfethu. And ushayile epalini. Maybe ushaye ka3. Was there trying to shoot. Okay, amanye mewangayanga ku target.
Yeah.
But mina I want my number 10 to find space and turn and shoot. And which is trying to give us that. You understand? And umlungu omnyama mfethu mina I believe ukuthi product ePirates and is going to dwell well there. And bravo to players ntanga kumgaya le penalty saving his first goal
Yeah.
for the team mfethu. That's good mfethu. And then naye ukuthi uyishayile mfethu, it's a moral booster for him and it's for him ukuthi I believe ukuthi I belong here.
Yeah.
You understand? I'll give him a 7 naye. There was nothing marvelous and udlala first half kuphela.
Yeah.
It was not too marvelous but he was there. You seeing the claims.
Yeah.
The guy is coming.
The guy is coming. Yeah, I think I agree with you. Now it's still early. But I'm seeing some signs.
That's that.
I'm worried a bit. Like he seems too relaxed. Too laid back. It takes his time sometimes.
Okay.
Like slow nya.
He's
We're trying to
Ndunjalo.
penetrate fast. But it's still early, as I said. I believe he'll come to the part
Yeah.
through game time.
Kancane
Through
kancane.
very few players, special players who come to a new team and then just bangs.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
give him game time. Let's give him game time. But I don't think it was his best games yesterday. What do you think of Tichon Coast?
Yeah, I wanna just ask Mr. Mlambo, like mina layout ngibona is slow.
Injalo.
Yeah. But mangazi ukuthi we prefer ku10 and uMaster Chef prefer ku10 via slow.
Yeah, that's why. Master Chef uthanda ukubamba ibhola. Master Chef uthanda ushukela. That guy is slow but he can play ama passes. That's
Sure.
why ngikubonisa I'll take you the game leli nasikathurile lize lishaya ipale akor.
Yeah.
That guy uyophase bani? Uphasa uSkomota. Skomota pass real. That's the first one. That guy lela goal leya laka ipenalty leya ka scoreile. Uyophase bani? Uyophasa uMasindi. Masindi pass to Pastor Police. So that slowness yakhe inable IQ. I'm not saying Master Chef akana IQ yangithola. Yes. I'm not saying Master Chef akana
I
IQ.
can't question IQ. Yeah. Tichon IQ Master Chef.
That's why into ngisho ngithi Master Chef is skillful player. Uyayibamba. Da ku number 10 and it's in Master Chef. Sometimes uzothi shy count Master Chef uzoyibamba. Loya uzoba slow but ibhola lizo release. So mina I prefer him kuPakania as a 10 and another thing akakhona ukuyenza ukufihla khona ukufihla ibhola. And we need that one. If maybe uyaza umbatha maybe egaming amdlalela amrolele alifihle athola umbatha then it's a goal. That's where I'm coming from.
Yeah. I mean I feel like for now mfethu alwanele scheme limbutu.
I was about to say that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because what it has, like I foresee something
Problems.
that is going to like hold us back.
That's what I see.
That if to on that position, now I believe we can put someone like Tito Maswangani,
Sure.
Remo Fuking, Master Chef.
A police.
You know those guys that can. Bar emise stadium uning one
Sure.
tola bar khotsa zero
Yeah.
to get
All players.
motivated one
Yeah,
tola
yeah.
kirere ke jwa Tichon won't give you that one tola kirere ke jwa
Sure.
But it's gonna give you a pass.
he's gonna give you a pass, I agree. But as well, that's what I'm saying. I'm worried a bit in terms of what Ghost is pointing out.
Yeah.
He seems to be very slow, and it's in a slala like pa.
Yeah.
Young Todd in
Yeah,
there.
good.
But it's still early, as I said. Some guy.
Sure.
Maybe you're right, Mr. Mlambo. We don't know, young Todd. But I see him as a number 9.
Yeah.
I don't know, remember kids are get but from what I'm seeing these last 2 games, Nyana Monzelala.
Yeah.
I keep on number 9 more than number 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel.
Yeah. Moving on to Mbutuma, Mr. Mlambo.
Mbuthumu uyatholakala yontaka yabona maqala igame angifuna ukungasho kunale offside le akayishayile la angazi uphatha ubani ngithi Mbuthumu makamfethu bambilayo
Yeah.
first half akabambilayo Ghost
Sure.
uzobamba Kosumbuthuma uyakhona kube indaweni ezi right. Even nasekena futhi solile chance lapha trepa khona athi shaya sikhulu. Ubuthuma bethu uhlala sendaweni ezi right. Hayi kodwa ndanga like mina these games aloko awadlalayo. Hayi man ngiyakhala kancane. Yes uwadlalile ama pass grand uzwile le ka Dior mekutshela ngayo ukuthi uzama ukumgaya 1-2. I think it's also good ngokugaya like he 1-2 ama players. We go back to Tito. Uyo pass uTito. Tito pass umbuthuma trapped gave Tito ibola ngo left but like I need him to score.
Yeah.
I need coaches believing in him. Coaches giving him the responsibility to go to our number 9. Which he deserves to. You understand? But he must score school mfethu uyawathola ama chance. Apera ama chance mfethu.
Yeah. Hey Lina Muthuma is off form a bit ngithola. Yeah, it's a bit of form ngithola.
Sure.
Nami ngiyakhala ntanga njengawe ngithola. Skomota he didn't get any minutes yesterday. Hey coach right. As a coach sometimes the way it's an interrogate but because you thinking that someone like Skomo, you know, let him prove himself. Or even Radio Man, one like it.
Na izofuna ukungena ucoach JP ngelinye ilanga. Ayithandi ibona. Ayithanda ukudlala. Akaka retire.
For Muthuma to be getting 90 minutes in that game. Considering how average or below average he was on so I think that's unfair on the likes of Bosco Motagamun.
And Radio Pan.
And Radio was he there in the bench?
Yeah, he was there.
He was there.
He
was supposed to play yesterday.
You know, Radio Pan must play. Radio Pan must play. So below average performance, Coast. What do you think?
I mean, let me say average.
Yeah, I think he could have been better, and I think next time or maybe he's off form, but as you are saying, or it looks like he's now off form. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe it could be that.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, he's a quality striker, and you know he's got goals in him.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, form let's give him games. He'll get back his form.
Yeah,
most definitely.
Yeah.
Most definitely. But I think in the like squad that it's Ronaldo so now we can't afford to be playing players off form saying let's play him into form. I think that's unfair to other quality on the bench.
Ayisikhomota kimbahle, usikhomota kimbahle.
He's a Mr. Blab.
Akabafethu inkulumo yamanga. Ukuthi usikhomota akimbahle, umshaya uKaya. Umbuthuma when is off form. Let's give him grace. He's got abafethu. Asithathe ngokufana lama.
Takayazi mina ngitsini takare. Ngithi umbuthu uyawahlohla. Uyabo. Phela yabona manje njengoba ucoach amfakile ngale game ye-TTM. Angimsoli yabo. It's a good thing mawicabanga ukuthi ngamgaya chance ukuthi ahlohla amagoli Crystal Phakamise yabo.
Yeah.
So not too bad of a decision because as you are saying already he's been a bit of form wabona. So it can be a game where umgaya pick up a form wabona. But I agree uri game maybe second half he could have given another striker some minutes. Wabona. But overall I don't think Muthuma was below Ndwana because he also had an assist wabona.
And for me he was not there. So
Yeah.
So I think in fit to at least in 56 or a 5 in fit.
A 5.
Yeah, I was leaning more towards a 6. It was 60 them talk.
And
it's a beautiful play. Fetele ayeli Tito fit.
Lama 2 na first half mega to uyayibanga.
In fact that ball I can't Tito is perfectly weighted. I get it we boni that you. Like in fact inch perfect.
Good.
1-2. Yeah, Tito da fetele na wabona we thank you Muthuma son I love you. Sharp on it. The one told or get it.
But do you think Donna and I go through la pasele boy?
Mfethu amazing itracker zishaya.
Ucho skomota na sharp pasele.
Ishaya skomota. Ushaya 10.
Kube shy.
Tito Donna made that goal.
Uskomota kubo ushaya le nyawo la ku left ya phakama yale.
Yeah, mekazothi sithende.
Hey Machivi. You can't score that goal. You can get that assist earlier already. Muthuma fit. like Tito mfethu uyithathile leya bhola mfethu from emove uyangithola into enjani azakanayo kanje
Ma
uyangithola
give
1
credit.
2
Give
uyangithola
credit
into
to
enjani.
Mbutsuma mfethu man.
No, we giving him credit, but it's not a difficult pass. I mean, that's my point. Young
Yeah, definitely. I'd also credit Mbutuma with that 1-2.
Yeah.
Yeah, he contributed well for Tito to finish off the goal.
Yeah.
So yeah, credit to Mbutuma. He didn't have, I wouldn't say he had a lovely game, but at least he contributed something towards the win.
Yeah.
So you give him a 4, a 5, or a 6?
I'd say a 6. A 6 would be fair, I think.
Yeah.
Khulumile PFTV.
Mara Mr. Blambo is a 5.
Yeah, mina ngise 5.
Yeah, mara mina ngithi
I'll
mina
take a 5 as well.
mina no much ever is the 6.
Kuzindala zombili ndoda. It's 5 and 6.
Yeah, it's a 5. It wasn't a 6 performance. Let's be honest, cause
Bantwana that assist mfethu. Wa bang re khona bana.
Yeah, but this
not also a
news.
negative for me. It was a below average, but for that assist, I'd give him a 5.
And also nala machance awatholile ngithi akangabhekanga. Ihewa kunehewa kalutholile lapha melahle.
Hayi akuna stress much ever nike uchikela bro aka 5.
We'll take a 5. And then moving on to the subs and we saw Tito coming in for Ticho half time.
With Tito. With Tito. With Tito.
Amlenzi. Man.
Yeah.
Cause man, uyamtshita uyamela adlale.
Mawinja
Mfethu mawinja. Sometimes mfethu mela hlala la.
Yeah.
Mina I thought it's gonna start yesterday, yabo.
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna start, but coach had other plans, which is kusebenzile. Mara makengena ntanga. He showed ukuthi nami coach ngikhona.
Now we could
Yeah.
go.
Look at that goal, a beautiful goal.
Mfethu.
Mata gives Tito the ball, Tito uyagijimela njengathi uyi-1 egroundini pa. It's a goal.
Goal, yeah.
Wathola enye angazi uphathe ubani or Van Rooyen Van Rooyen.
Yeah.
Esayidini
Left right.
ashaya itsipa, then wathi uyaplaka. It was a
Keeper,
save. Washaya elinye phezulu kwamapali, elinye ukushango left mfethu ngakubalela izinto eziningi uTita kazenze grand. Which shows mfethu ukuthi that guy is a professional. That guy unenhliziyo mfethu. I don't know about me or other people. Maybe now kuba basafuna ukudlalela iPirates. They're saying la kuPirates badlala ngami because of the game time akangayitholi.
Yeah.
But that guy is always there. You see when players score, he's there ntanga happy.
Yeah.
But most of the players they do that ngithola. But I think Tito had a stellar game ntanga.
Yeah.
Judging from ukuthi uloko angadlali, I understand izinto ezinjalo. I think he had a stellar game and I'll hope to see noma ngaqalanga on the next game ezayo. But
Yeah.
akabi there benchini. That
Yeah.
guy can give you something. I'll give him an 8.
Yeah. Beautiful one from Tito Mfethu, and I agree with pretty much everything that he said.
Yeah.
Tito Mfethu is always there.
there.
Put Tito from the first minute,
Yeah.
he'll give you 100. Give him 45 minutes, he'll give you 100. Give him 10
25.
minutes, he'll give you 100.
Sometimes I go became like, but it's giving you 100.
Yes, and that guy, he's the only guy in our squad who does. I want that goal. No one in our team is capable of scoring that goal. I thought from
sure.
deep. I endladlali 1-2
One, sure, yeah.
and Pelana ra uyamfaka Mbuthu make him.
Sure.
Mbuthu come, let's play.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Very few people.
Ntwana Novara is the
Yeah.
only one.
He's the only one.
Sure.
And that's very, very crucial.
Yeah.
If he can get a striker that is that wise to say, I want to Tito, I make sure that I pin one to
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm saying Tito come.
Yeah.
Tito aitla.
Ta.
Yeah. He can get a lot of goals.
Sure.
He gives us a different dimension.
Yeah. And
He
Tito
must-
scores. In fact.
Yeah?
Tito
He scores.
Tito scores.
Yeah.
I mean, he's
Sure.
about 4 or 5 goals
4
now.
or 5, yeah.
Yeah. And if you
Eh,
think about it, is up there libo Mremi libo
And
libo
akadlalanga
Mbutu.
amagame abhayi. Check the number of minutes
yeah,
that she has.
Sure.
yeah.
Minimal.
Yeah, so Tito deserves minutes in this Orlando Pirates team.
Wow,
You
true.
can't play the same players. Those games that you feel like, coach, you can rotate. Put the legs of Tito.
Yeah.
Put the legs of Tito. I mean, that's the chemistry I want to see if you're playing against a weaker opposition or a position that is not on your level.
Yeah.
You come in, you be a professional, you give your best, Dongzola. If possible, get a goal, get an assist, Dongzola.
Sure.
Guess what? In fact, he's raising his hand. Say, coach, don't
Hlala
forget
siphakamisa.
about me.
Hlala
Yeah,
siphakamisa,
Dongzola.
mfethu. Hlala siphakamisa. Leya,
It
leya
is,
khohlwa.
Dongzola.
Leya khohlwa.
Dongzola.
Nje ukuthi coach usibhekele into zakhe naye. Maka leya siphakamisa ukuthi nami ngikhona.
Yeah.
Always.
Winja.
Ilezi skela, udading makacala tidade. Udading ma every distract la kwetsa. Uthi kirsene la ven peace la
Hayi Malcolm ophive.
Hayi ndoda.
Opie bale. Or distract. Tata.
Athi
Yabona labantu
score
laba bakuba amakhosi manje baya distract. Wantsola kilele ke jwa.
Sure.
Kitse inkaya tse o di bona se classing ndwana. Tse leng hore ize qale botsa question idlele ke. Always as an answer.
Sure.
Wantsola kilele ke jwa.
So banokugcina bathi hayi not you.
Yeah, Ito, today you're not answering any question. I want the rest of them to answer.
Akuphendula bomlambo.
Ulambo wa plumikara komra wa kutsitsa.
Yeah.
Actually, deja. So
Sure.
yeah, beautiful one for Maswanganyi Ndanga. And then our second stop was Chabatsani for Mure.
Chabatsani.
Riding Msendam.
Sindami.
Yeah, Msendam for Mure.
Mina ngamboni mfethu kakhulu. Mina I've seen there's emsendane yazi intanga into engishayayo. Unalonga ke ngambona ku Galanzi. Nakujwaneng lo sibulalayo thina make bona thina ePirate longadlali lo lambili.
Yeah.
Or maybe ukuthi mengimbona ngama claims mengambukeli every time.
Yeah.
Akekho bad ungizwe kahle akekho bad umsendami. But angakamboni lo which is sakhumbula ngakukhalela ukuthi hey yinja le ngakukhalela angakayiboni leyo nto kakhulu yabo but he's not bad naye.
Yeah.
Because amakhosi yazama ukwafaka ini but he has not been there where I want to see him. You understand? Which is just give him time. We said the same thing with De Jong.
Yeah.
Let's just give him time. Now uzoba grand, but he was not bad. He was really not bad. Ngam guy 6.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
6. I did it. Maybe didn't too much, young girl. I think even that 6 of PI.
Because ishayo bani le umbuthuma Melakwa.
Mbuthuma should have scored. Which one?
Ayikhumbuli le goals Mekmela shaya same time. I think uyitrepile wayisha so. Urisha goalkeeper la or in. Second half my chance. Hawu kanti liphi game ulibukela.
Ah, but if you say ukuthi lishaye ubani ndanga, you can recall ukuthi licross ubani le cross. You wanna
Ndanga,
credit Udading?
Yazi liphi ndanga.
No, I'm saying you wanna credit Umsendam. Was it? Do you think it was
Angazi, I
Umsendam?
think
who did
uya
that
ngikho
cross?
sure. That's why ngifuna ukuthi ningikhumbuze. Awulikhumbuli coast. Umbuthuma lele ngikhala ngalo ukuthi Mekmela likore kakhulu. Yazi le livele on the left le disk ne.
Sure.
Umbuthuma I think mina Mekmela shaya first time. I think all trap. So mega off balance wathi kushango left la shaya goalkeeper we TTME.
Ngathi ngiyakhumbula le cross.
Yeah, le goalkeeper sekazenza big.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't remember who crossed that. Maybe it's Hoto. Think paso Tito. Yeah, maybe it's Hoto. Angikhumbuli kahle.
Yeah, but you're reaching, Mr. Mlamo.
What?
You can. I'm saying you are reaching if you say ukuthi.
Angikhumbuli kahle.
Yeah, so we can't credit him for that. Young
Sure,
girl.
sure.
That's why for me, I'm saying it was a
Average.
average performance. I'm sorry, he
I'll
hasn't
take
been
that.
doing much, and it's fine. You can accept that because I think he's coming off the bench. He's still
Sure.
new. Young girl.
Sure.
Same Naboti Chong. You understand?
Yeah.
They'll come gradually, young girl. So it was an average performance for me.
Yeah, I think I'll say average as well. I think we are yet to see his best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonder what did PhD say about him? That guy. He said a good guy.
He said he's a star.
He said he can pull another. It was a bold statement in the.
No, he said
He
he's.
said JV PhD opol.
No, we say right here,
Sindang.
Rilele police are gonna have a problem once that boy catches his form.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I doubt.
Hey, PhD man, yesterday he was on form.
And I'm
He
ready.
said- He said even that Jock guy is going to be our leading goal scorer.
Sure.
But,
this season.
I give him an answer, believe him. That guy, PhD, the best analysis. I know,
The only man with a
the
PhD.
only guy with the PhD. HIV. PhD, controversial PhD. What do you think of his analysis?
Umbone fire mune PhD aqala nje ayibhala ama interview tsamalona one man the only one so utla re umono ka sitsameke khati ka voso
Yeah.
And it's like over like a different character. They like off camera is like a nice guy, it's humble, but give him the mic.
Yeah.
totally different.
Hey, and I'll say it.
Totally
Hey, tell me about this buffoon. Best analysis, JV for you. Best analyst.
Yeah, I'd say one of the best, definitely. One of the best, yeah.
Who's your best?
Yeah, I'd say definitely a PhD. Also a beekeeper. Yeah, beekeeper is also good.
Beekeeper, eh?
Yeah.
But in terms of like what's more industry, when you compare Jabu Maslang, Junior Kanya, would you put him in that category and say maybe our age, or do you think they're on the same level? Or
I'd say
considering whatever this guy, he doesn't have the luxury of being famous before and so on. He made his name from the ground, not having fame like his canalo and so like
yeah.
But Junior, let's be honest, like when I fame, people always love them even from their playing days and so like but someone who comes like from nowhere and becomes so influential as he is and so like
Yeah, wabona awe be the way we be cutting considering Oriana Vele. He started from nothing basically to what he is today. I'd say definitely he's one of the best. He's edging the up that definitely.
Ne?
Yeah.
Ah, fana, beautiful.
Because a lot of mutrile mo banai. Na tsama fela ka ga o yo le wena in the interview. Fela ena le wadi.
So I can say.
So yeah, you have to give it to him. You can't take that away.
And so what it's Sandaga, listen guy. If don't you mean so one other you would come to are you listening or are you drinking? I thought
No JB make that again.
I'm what doing in the Angela. One of the best. One of the best. Ndanta used to be like you as well when you first came in.
Before, even before, you remember? Yeah, I mean, even now, that guy. And what's nice, I don't Google. I speak my mind. That's what is good about him. And I don't know but it's good. I mean, even now, I'm a first time he's the best.
Straight.
Yeah,
One man interview,
but you only have guys like this. You let them. You give them the mic. You don't disturb their flow.
Definitely.
You said you want to be an analyst. I want to go carry lesson.
Soon.
Yeah.
Very soon. Yeah.
Moving on to MasterChef who came in for Namtachela.
At least it's so picky ukuthi uyalazi seyizophela. Yandanga banokucompare ubani uSiphombule no Ox. Uyamazi uOx?
Is that no?
You don't know Ox? Le player le Chiefs leli.
Hayi into angilazi mfana.
Ngabuza Khosi who's Ox?
Ubani konje igama lakhe?
Khosi yamzibi Ox.
Umthetho mandaba.
Umthetho mfethu okay you compare MasterChef
No Ox angithi babethi lo
joke.
izwa babethi ngabona bathi lo uyalazi lo uyenzeni Ox intanga. At least le topic lese iyaphela ukuthi uMasterChef angithi mekahlala landelwa ile nto ukuthi akanama number. but
Nomthetho kanawo amanamba mos or umthetho nawo.
izwa angazi bakhe bayibeka
like intwana are we having this conversation
No,
yamthetho le master chef
izwa ngiyava ngisho kanjalo ukuthi ungacompare yiba behlale analento ukuthi lo uyalazi kodwa ayikho into akayazela lona doesn't have numbers seyivaliwe leyo nto ghost yabo le goleli 1 seyivaliwe asafuna ukizwa
Sure.
bafethu umbulu ubuyapi mfethu sasibuyela ngento enhle kanje
yeah.
and you once said it ukuthi this guy is going to get it wona ile ntangi have space uthola ibhola uyathena mfethu okwakubona lokhu ghost tubula amagazini safa indlala
Technique.
hala kasha
and then tala skala ngayo ukuthi mbule you don't have to place all your
Yeah.
balls uyangithola into enye
Yeah.
sometimes just put your laces uyangithola into enye just uvala amehlo nje shaya le ball uyangithola and you can see he has a technique that guy fit that
Sure.
guy has technique fit
Like like technique fela.
he has technique fit
He did what he meant,
ngalo ma chance nami
yeah
ngiyakhala
sure
half space ntanga qa
yeah
uvula umzimba
sure
kuyadliwa yini lokho goalkeeper mekangeka ayibamba
sure
and what I like about amapakaniya I am celebrities
yeah
samgcina nini mfethu master chef
go.
mfethu singi mfethu uyapheka he
go.
cooked and washed the dishes bafethu master chef bafethu had a good game didn't have isikhathi esibhaya but that goal ndanga is beautiful I understand that so I'll give him a 7 for that didn't do much but igoal liyamnyusa mfethu.
No, I mean, I think if it doesn't feel to, I mean, I think he did. In fact, he did well. Like, who
Yeah,
61,
61,
yeah, 60,
Yeah.
60 something. And so,
Yeah.
like, if to immediately master chef again, now fit to when I coast to and so.
Sure.
You can tell, or if it was a king, we missing this guy. And so,
Yeah,
he just
yeah.
controls the key. That's what he does. That's
Sure.
good. Why can't I control? And so, like,
Yeah.
special player,
Ndayi
master chef.
kanzima.
of it. Effortless.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola effortless. Master chef mfethu doesn't deserve to be standing there at the stands mfethu.
And so this is what I was saying, or it doesn't need to. Wabona eska restile borile so. You are supposed to be one of these players baloro embarrassed ka games so.
Ah mfethu.
Yeah, deserve
That's a good
30
point as
minutes.
well
Yeah.
mfethu wanzona.
Sure.
He can't be playing master chef ka 60 minutes mfethu re lala le TTM.
TTM,
mntwana. Come on coach mfethu. Come on mfethu wanzona. Master chef must be in and around that starting 11.
Sure.
Wanzona. Can't be too much Formula 11. Uthi umganga ku 7.
7.
7. You can take 7. Coast.
Yeah, mara that goal man, I'll take him to an 8 man.
Yeah. Even an 8, and I won't argue with you.
Yeah.
I won't argue with an 8 in fact.
Tito umkailep ka indanga.
8. That's
Ushay
why-
assist na uyo kayo master chef.
Yazo
Yini
uyo
kayo
kayi
naye,
master
na
chef
kayo Tito
uye
naye.
kunale bhola lela akaliphasile esayidini lele
Sure.
ngitshela ngalo lela kaMuthuma
Yeah.
lela kashaya iwindi uliphahlazile mfethu
Sure.
ngathi uyawo waliphahlaza
Yeah.
kanje Tito had a stellar game
Yeah,
tried
sure.
to shy
Sure.
He was there mfethu uyangithola
Yeah, Tito simkayo naye no master chef 8.
seshintsha lento
In fact,
it's
ngiyakutshela.
fine.
I wouldn't argue with the
That's
9
fine.
as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Master Chef 8, I wouldn't
Sure.
argue as well. And those are good ratings.
Sure,
Those
those
guys-
are fair
those
ratings.
guys-
Yeah,
Yeah.
so-
those are fair
yeah.
ratings. Questionable ratings from Mr. Mlambo.
Mambo.
phela utita kadlalanga isikhathi akadlalanga isikhathi esibayi
Yakuvova uyizwa le.
sengiyayizwa mina ithi awu questionable kanjani izinto ezirayit
Ngeke question analysis yakho.
kanjani mfethu awu iyangivova ayingivovile yo
So yasho nokusho yara sabo
Sawufuna
fulla
liteke. Omhlanza kure.
iyangivova lo muntu iyangivova lo muntu ayingivovekile la emapakani yambona ufayo yenzani
Uza nokwakhe.
Moving on to Spideville, who came in for Polipoli.
sibilibili siyabila
Yeah.
nothing much
Yeah.
nothing much
Spideville, Mara, these days is always nothing much.
I didn't want to say a lot, mfethu. Let me just say average. I didn't see much, mfethu.
Yeah. They didn't do much really on time.
Yeah.
Spideville too, and Spideville we know he's a good player. So
Sure.
I don't know what's happening with Spideville.
Kuyakunjani?
Yeah, mfethu yazi injury na injury.
Injury
mfethu.
changes izinto, mfethu.
But he'll come back.
Yeah.
You know, now what I like is that at least to honor rappler mo bench. I told it on about 15, 10
Sure,
minutes,
sure.
15, 10 minutes. One so
Yeah.
come back.
Yeah,
We know
100%.
he's a good player.
Exactly.
One
Yeah,
so,
yeah. You know what he's capable of.
Yeah, one so. Moving on to Lady Sasana who came in for Podlera.
Yo, I was happy.
Pepe.
I wanted Pepe to start.
Yeah.
Mapagania, that's my favorite defender also. I think Pepe nabo Chabatane nabo CM. They're in the same category.
Sure.
Good Pepe nje, it's been long since agcina ukudlala uSesane.
Yeah.
I understand. Now maye ngatholi game time and I thought it's going to start yesterday. But coach had other plans, but I was happy to see him yangithola. Adlala mfethu competitive cup.
Sure.
Gcine kukhaling.
Yeah.
Nothing much happened also now. But
Sure.
to see Sesane there mfethu, it's just a privilege for our eyes.
Yeah.
And Paganias to see that. That's a good talent.
Yeah.
One of the best talent we have for Ipagania. And then we need him back. But at least yabona team so it's tight. We have a lot of players who are raising their hand. But I think now is also let's cut Sake back. Nothing much was done yesterday, but it was a privilege to see him.
Yeah.
I'll give him a 5.
Yeah, it was a
It was
okay
average. There was nothing
performance,
much
Yeah.
to be done.
yeah.
I think it was just refreshing to see him, man.
It's refreshing
Yeah.
though now. So
It's a
then,
privilege to ukubona loya muntu ngiyakutshela.
Yeah.
and then now now that's those are the players that would be lenient towards when it comes to injury one so because you
Yeah.
know what he had a bad injury one so
Sure.
he must be
And he
gradually
was-
integrated.
and he was
into the
there,
team.
and
If it
he
was
was
at the peak of his
there,
career at that
Ntwana,
time,
yo, he
Ntwana,
was
so-
there.
So how the whole you know that guy gives us best moments.
Mamela dlala,
Mlambo always talks about the 360 that he
Ah,
does.
ke
So I
umuntu
don't like
ojika
it
tele
anyway.
topo,
Yeah, when you mention him, I'm thinking, what's the best way we could play these guys? Go fair. Like Pepe is good, in fact. I think he's a deserving 11, first 11 play.
Yeah.
Until we have CM equally deserving. Chabatane for me as well, equally deserving.
Mayazi
Back three, fit. We bulala more left back and right back.
Ukubodlela untanga ngathi angaphumula kancane. Uwe musho kanjalo.
Yeah.
Ayi ngathi angaphumula kancane.
Hey, uyazi ubhodlela sometimes simbeka ngaphandle asenzani.
Simfaka mase simdini.
Exactly. 85 minutes esifuna
Ah,
ukukhiya
mbala,
1-0
yeah,
sidlala
yeah,
neSundowns or sidlala neChiefs. Uyangithola.
Usozama
Or it's a cup game,
uku-accommodate
uyabo.
lapho, yeah.
Asikhiyeni ngobhodlela bafethu. Uyabo.
Ah, yeah,
Siyamazi
clean.
clean.
Hayi,
Uyabo.
clean bit.
Yeah, coach Mfethu lena, I think rotation ndona. That question we put down Mfethu like what's the best way? Rotation.
Sure.
The game is Gaswani Mfethu. When we play against Sundowns so
Sure.
Yeah.
it won't be the same as when we play against
It's
Bomakesi la.
Yeah.
One so la cheaper
Yeah.
la. One so those guys will pay. Give them 45 minutes nyana. One so la lobo bodle. They can feature there. One so.
Sure.
You don't necessarily have to say one so
CM or
rotate
CM
them,
every
rotate
time,
them, rotate. You'll see everyone will be happy. One so.
Yeah, var.
And even that Pepe guy, when he can try the right back, more than experimenting. Like Pepe was what he's king done. He's a ball
Yeah,
player.
sometimes umone
Sometimes,
dibonu se diliti kaka.
Akekho
Yeah.
nanga.
Ole kana lepthelezi awumona dibonu diliti
Akekho.
kaka. Akeka luke kana.
Akekho nanga.
But if you just regasimzambi right back, you fit it. Sesane.
Pepe.
So okay, ni le wait ile na mfethu. Eza ke naka mona grand. Okay, le wait.
As far as waiting now, I say confirm you, but for right back at the moment, I get more.
Akekho ngada hayi.
Ngeke.
Hayi ngeke akekho ngada. Upepa kusiplay
Afit.
gijimayo mfethu.
Yeah.
Doesn't run.
Mara check Van Roy. Van Roy doesn't do a lot of running.
But he can
He
run.
doesn't attack.
When you have to.
And I think Van Rijn runs more than
Pepe
Sesane would.
is a natural centre back.
Yeah.
Natural one. I'm telling you.
Not for me, it's not a natural.
I'm telling you.
And I think he is.
Ngamfaka mawuthi uyamshintsha ngathi umisa ku CDM kuphela.
He can even do that CTM.
But on the
Yabona mina
side,
na ku CDM I wouldn't think.
CDM angayenza.
Center
You
back.
remember Rivaldo Kotsi?
Hayi nabo Pepe ntanga uyabona mina ngifila ngathi man uyabona le gama Pepe uyabo. Isicathulo uyabo.
Ayidla ilumi.
Uyaluma Pepe uyaluma
Kwaluma ba.
Wena batonjela re.
Okwaluma bani?
Senza defense awulumi wena.
Hawu kaluma mara no wanthola center defense ujahiwe wabona. Da ko ready ko center back. Ke monal perfect o shebile game wabona umnati won't be caught awulu with this back against his post wanthola. And unlike that ko 16 phela wabona o tlodula ba shebile ba feta wabona o tlodula gile wabona ga.
I like Rivaldo mfethu amkhumbula Rivaldo kothi.
Yeah, not so much. Ngiyamkhumbula but
usayigijima kakhulu nje wena you must just know how to position yourself.
Yeah. Yabo uSiyama utry uSiyama da. Yeah. But Pepe.
Siyama is a right back.
No, as a center defensive midfield.
Yeah, I haven't miss Siyama try there. But as a right back
Nah, that's
Lena. Pepe is the same thing.
Yeah. Right back I think in fact we have Libito da. In fact, you must just play Libito in fact.
Yeah, Libito I shy. Moving on to our friends and I think we are done with the subs.
Always 100.
Yeah.
It was not packed there, but nathi yazibala. Mina baba umdluli nibukele kumnandi. There was a Pagania community. Banye maybe nabo they had they had their own setup.
Yeah.
But what I know would like mangihambi ekseni ntanga because I went somewhere. Abantu mebashaye like ikipa zePagani yabo. Usibona ukuthi man Pagani yadlala fanda. So ama fans always 100.
Yeah. 100 for the fence coast.
Yeah, always in fact.
Yeah.
Can never argue with that.
The referee, do you have the referee there?
Yeah, Simeleli Mabuto.
Thoughts on him?
Ref.
Yeah.
Yeah. Angisamkhumbuli kakhulu man. I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah. So you let the game flow.
Taking center stage.
Sure. Yeah. So yeah, for that fact, I'll give him a 7.
Yeah.
Nokuthi
ube nesibindi wakhomba ipenalty.
Yeah. Mara ngathi khona leyo kucala ngayigayanga ne? Nali asayijaja man before atlor ka penalty.
Hayi le ngitshela ngale emthinta ikhanda or ini. Ukuthi hand akusile ekhuluma ngayo.
Yeah. Sakhumbula igreni mara maqeda ukucala nje ngiyakhumbula khona le sike sakhala
ngayo. U De Jong.
Sure.
Yeah, but akusiye.
Yeah, but I'll give him a 7.
Mina uRevo nesibindi ngiyamthanda mfowethu.
Sure.
uRevo ikhombayo abala eSouth Africa bayasaba mfethu angazi ngathi kuzoyenzakalani. But nothing much mfethu. I'll take what goes said.
Yeah. Moving on to our next game in Tanga, we're playing against Marumo Gallants. Number 13 on the log. Escotini in Tanga. What do you expect to see there?
Suphinde sisho baba sizana babantwana bakho sesibaqedile ngendumo siyaqindezela neBhakani kwaphela abantu hey. That's what I'm expecting. Kwaphela abantu baba. Yes, tough opponents to play against for us Pirates. Yes, abasha 8-1 but after they always come strong. Sidlala nabeskodini.
Yeah.
Sobabulala.
Yeah.
Sibathathela uChabathansi bathathela umsendami bayatenga tsho ukuthi.
Yeah.
But those are the first 11 players.
Yeah.
That means -2. Sesibadlile already. You understand? I think it's going to be a good game. But obviously ndanga bazosky challenge. I know that. But that's Slali League. We need all the points which we can get. Because if it's win against Lab, you go to Sundowns with confident boost.
Sure.
Sundowns so shaya la besingabafuni with a confident boost. You understand that it's a must-win game. Coach must put in his best 11. Kumula le first 11 mekutshela ngayo. Sidinga yona ke esikhulu lapha ya. Sidinga uKhokhomelo lapha yenza izinto. Then abanye you'll see them as a sub. That's what I'm expecting. I expect us to win. Nothing else.
Yeah. Ghost, your thoughts on the upcoming game in Gallants?
Yeah, no, I think Mr. Mlambo, I like what you are saying. Good, we can go back to that 11 Amazulu. Yeah, but for me, nada man, ngahlohla uChabatsani, ngithi ibhodlela relaxa kancane. But yeah, that would be a fire 11.
Yeah. Because I'm trying to check here. So we playing before Sundowns, and if we win this game, we're like 6 points clear.
Yeah.
Hey.
That's gonna be beautiful, ne?
Hey.
And they must overshine 9 points clear.
Yeah. ke ba batla soka
Yeah.
so like tlamehile re ba kenyetse pressure
Sure.
to no there's no room for error
Yeah.
if they think gore if they draw it's 5 if they lose it's 6
Sure.
I think lona dlala in their mind psychologically
Yeah.
right Pirates is serious no what so like
Sure. Ke ntse ba re shaka yona all these years.
It's about
Good with that.
all these
Yeah,
years
good
in
with
Ghana
that.
wanzola and I like the fact that no games are equal
They are equal. Yeah.
wanzola ona game in and down wanzola ari
Yeah.
wanzola ke like ke jwa
Sure.
them they are playing ku riding as well ku Africa wanzola
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
tamle ba rotate ning
Sure.
James, but do you think it was a good thing to lose a good CAF this season?
hey the
Don't you think-
hindsight
But you can't say it was a good thing. I think it was a
Okay.
blessing in disguise.
Okay,
but
yeah, I can
not a
put it
good
like
Yeah,
that.
it's
It was not a
working in
good thing,
disguise,
but
sure.
like it's working for us now.
Yeah.
Because yabona like thina we always don't not equal with Sundowns ngama game because thina ngithi yaza amali amakhapa wethu.
Sure.
We always win there. So manje at least si 11 now. And then you mentioning a good point. If siya win, sibashiya nga 6.
6
Siyakubo sibashiya nga 6. Siyabashaya.
Nine.
Esambile baba.
no angithi it's 6 before they play mhlawumbe if
6
they
before.
play and then they win the game
Bazodlala nani
after I'm not
Hey,
sure
Phela Bona, they are so good. We can't take that thing away from them when it comes to league.
Yeah.
Yiba abantu esibabhekile, you understand?
Yeah.
So masingabashiya nga 6. Awazi ukuthi badlala nani.
and they actually not playing in that league. Chukuthi
Perfect.
if say we ale game let's
That's
get
perfect.
Masiya we are 6 points.
Yo, perfect.
If we beat them we get 9 points.
Yeah, that's
Although
what it
one of us wanna game in end.
Sure.
Like
Ngiyazithandazela bafethu ukuthi u Dr. Ivan Khoza angayibheki business wise. Ayise esigodini. Angayise FNB.
Akunje FNB ne.
Abaka confirm.
I say confirm.
Yeah, it's
FNB.
going FNB.
Ishintanga mina ngifuna esigodini lena.
FNB just befuna kale
Press
score.
mfethu mina ngeke baphume lapha.
Indaba ifloppy capacity, yes. But bezoba
Bona bana
perfect.
fan 57 FC.
Nathi nje phela ubonile nale game esibuya kuyo mfethu ubone nalo bathi basakena stadium.
Oh
enekeza
yeah,
la
home win.
Sure.
Is it?
Yeah. Itimandi baya mfethu. So even nale game Sundowns it's gonna attract even more.
Mnandi so. Like in Sundowns. It's fine. Asambeni sobabulala lapha.
Yeah.
I mean
I don't know man. Lenye Vietnam ngibafuna esikotini. Yabona lenye FNB ndwana.
Yabo FNB khodi.
Uyangithola.
Asikhoni like ukubakala into esigodini nawe yazi isikhulu.
Yanyiwa la.
Yeah. And nalento mfethu isikoti home yethu mfethu.
Yeah.
Sure.
We're supposed to be taking them there. Slaughterhouse.
Yeah.
Sure. Let's do predicted 11 ndanga Galanzi.
Ngishilo.
Wayisho kodwa.
Le 11 le yamfethu. Le lokiwina le.
Oh, yamaZulu.
The one before yesterday.
Yeah, the one which is I said ngiyayincanywa. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it. The 11.
You still putting Butuma there?
Okay, maybe uMbuthuma singamkhipha.
Yeah.
Singamqhubekisa. Yeah, asimqhubekise then ungana sesingiyamdinga la. Then maybe angangena as a sub.
Yeah, Ghost. Do you still persist with Butuma, mfethu?
I think angithi confident yakilo Ghost.
Yeah.
Ayangifuni simqindezela.
Kanti yena umcindezeli yazi.
Yamnceda.
Yabona mawuse umfaka ngabo 10-15 minutes angithi ki modi defender sedikhathethu.
Sure.
You can exploit the space on
Yeah.
That's where probability of getting a few good chances is very high.
Le energy elena itlabele high.
Yeah, wanzola kile ile ngejwa.
Yeah.
So I think it's only fair for him to be rested because of form. Introduce the likes of Skomotanya and one.
Naki Kenya ticho.
I told you.
Tichong as well. I don't have a problem with
I told you,
with
man.
Tichong.
Yes.
Naki Kenya Tichong.
Kanti ticho kakadlaleli Pirates.
Ngibhise ngiyatsho nje nofaya ngiyaconvince ukuthi ayimfuni into ngosikhomotha.
Bese utsaitsa kare ke biditse player chiefs waze. Ngibiza uticho ukudlalela iphakani. Ngithi mina ngifaka uticho.
It's a good one. Usindaba
A good one. JV, who you put there go number 9 there on our next game? We have Skomota, we have Mbutuma, we have Tichong. Even Radio Pan is still there.
I would say umlomong between Dijon or Wanasesi, yeah.
Ngwana tonight.
Omolomo nga respanisi ba.
Either one.
Either one are
We to coach your Pirates, I'm looking 11. If it's okay. Scomota
ke qala ka ngwana sese ke qala ka ngwana sese
Ngwana tonight.
Ngwana says, yeah, I learned that put Ngwana says, you know why I won't put the Jong there? He hasn't shown me enough, man, to be ahead of Scomota.
He must fight.
Yeah, let him fight.
yeah maybe second half as a substitute
Yeah.
yeah
Ne, ke utlwa. Chivino. Coast, moving on to the. What are you doing? Is it the log or is it the prediction?
It's our lock first. So angithi sketchile correct score.
Ish.
But we got the correct prediction. So yeah, point wethu azokhuphuka nga1 nje Mapagania. Ghost Nonengo bazosuka ku21 baye ku22. And then ufaya uzosuka ku24 aye ku25. And then yeah, singashayida idenge prediction yethu.
Yeah, because I'm number 1, Buffett, I'll start Mapagania. You know the car, you know the drill. 2-0 to Orlando Pirates.
Ish.
Who's next? Is it Coast or you?
No,
It's Coast, yeah.
Yeah.
Mina ngithi 3-0 bafethu Pagania.
This one is difficult, Buffett.
You think so? And I think it's a clean 2-0 this one.
One needs Orlando Pirates.
Shy steps.
Kwash.
3-0.
Kosi namhlanje wathi London.
Yeah.
Angithi sifuna ukuya phakathi.
Ibambekile.
Etakaphela yabona manje bengibambile le akusile free kick le bayikora.
Kube maphakathi.
Ubheka manje ke ngithi 3-0 ubheke lento esibuya nayo ke. Yeah.
Yeah, but Coast on form and we have to give it to you.
Yabona yapo 1. Yo, 2-1 ithi yo. At least akekho phela uzoyina phela ngibonile ukuthi 3 ala sizodlula ku3.
Na rare ifuna experience Mr. Mnamo.
Ane Coast. Ngiyakubona experience.
Yeah.
Experience uyachuka manje.
Umuntu mekayo number lazi isikhathi eside kanje ngishela ngeexperience.
Uyithanda Buffett. Anything Mr. Mlamo that you want to add?
Mfethu I wanna add ukuthi Mapagania waqhubeke mfethu. Let's engage Bafethu comment section. Angithi le ichannel yethu sonke Mapagania. Tell your thoughts Bafethu. We want to see this community grow. Tanga like iyakhula yabo community because of them. It's not us, it's them who washes us uyangithola. Abaqhubeke mfethu ba share ba like ba subscribe.
Yeah. Community is growing. Mapagania, but Twitter is struggling there, man. We're
Yeah,
booming on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Mapagania, let's follow our ID, man. Our
Insta
Twitter,
page,
Buffett. It's
Insta.
Pirates Fans TV, Buffett. Let's hit that follow button, Mapagania. Twitter, Buffett. Let's push any
Insta
Twitter,
page.
Buffett. Yeah, and
Instagram,
Instagram. Yeah, we've reached the end of the show, Mapagania. Coast.
Singayivala Mapagania. Sihlanganeni arena sibulali marumo bafethu. Bopha.